Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Dragonfish video tutorial series. In this video, we will go through how to assemble and disassemble your Dragonfish. Take out all aircraft accessories. Put the aircraft body on a level surface. First, attach the left and then right wings. Attach the tail. Take out your payload and install it. Attach the wingtip propellers. And the last step is to install the batteries. Check your propellers and aircraft body for any damage. You're now done assembling the aircraft. When disassembling the aircraft, ensure they have powered off the aircraft. Remove your payload. Unlock the tail and remove it. Unlock the wings and slowly take off the left, then the right wing. Finally, remove your wingtip propellers. Carefully place all parts back into the transport case. Thank you for watching. We hope this gave you a good understanding on how to assemble and disassemble your Dragonfish unit. For more videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Refer to the video description below for more information.